I didn't shake up this bottle or anything. It's just squeaking like crazy. I was looking around going, what's that sound? I was wondering what was making that squeak. And it was just this bottle. And it's done. I mean, I was looking all around here. I was looking all around trying to... I was like, is it the heater? Is it the computer? Is it outside? And it was just a bottle.